Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a hack that I discovered recently. I know some people might already know this hack, but for those who do not know about it, please keep watching. Today's video is about wafer paper. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually color your wafer paper without it squeezing or cranking up, like squeezing so much that it loses its shape. I'm going to show you which one works better, like I usually do. And thank you to everybody who watched the gold paint video on different ways you can paint with gold paint without using alcohol. I really love that video and I really like the interaction there. But however, today's video is about wafer paper. For this video, I'm going to be using the Keep Smiling brush. This is the number 12, and this is the number 6, and this is the number 10, because that's the one I have. So the liquid I'll be using for this video is water, glycerin, and vodka. So I'm going to show you which one works best for painting your wafer paper. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. I'm going to start with water here. I have water in this place. However, this is my Americolor Americolor soft gel paste Heavenly 70 kit. As in, this kit here has 70 colors, so I have a wide range of colors. If you want to purchase this, just check the description box below for my link. It will be stated in the description box. So I don't know which color I'll be using. I'm just going to pick colors at random. I think I'll just go for maybe an electric pink. Oh, this one's still new, I haven't opened it. Let me go for electric red. I want something that I've actually opened before. Okay, this is green. Green is open. I'm going to use green, water for green, and I'm going to use lilac for vodka. Then I'm going to use 3 different colors for glycerin. I think I'm going to use the 3 colors for glycerin. So that's to actually show the proficiency. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to use this one color for glycerin. But I don't know what I'll end up doing at the end part of this. But however, let's start with water. Now I'm going to pour my gel food color into my water. I have water in this bowl. It might be difficult for you to see it, but there's water here. I'm just going to put in my gel food color in color green. Working with color green, this is water. I'm going to show you how the wafer paper would react to water. I've not even started, it has already started squeezing up. I'm going to use a bigger brush for this purpose to make this video really fast. As you can see, it's already squeezing up. I want to totally color it. At this point, I'm finding it hard to pick it up because it's too fragile and it's sticky. It's sticky kinda. I want to totally cover it. This is for water. Now next up, I'm going to show you vodka. Next up, I'm going to be using vodka. In this bottle here, I have vodka. I'm going to be using little vodka. So now I'll be adding my lilac color. Just 1 drop is enough. Okay, I'm going to start by applying my lilac. people tend to use vodka because it evaporates very, very fast, and I think that's why people like to use it, and that's why I always use it then. But it also leaves that cranky squeezing effect. It's already puffing up. Okay, now I'm going to try to pick up my wafer paper that I painted with water, even while it's still wet. What you would notice is it becomes very, very fragile, like rubber that wants to snap. As you can see, it has snapped already. You can't pick it up. That's what happens when you use water on wafer paper. And when it glues somewhere else, maybe by mistake, to pick it up is very, very hard, or to straighten it back, it's very, very difficult. It will tear off. I'm going to give this some time and test the pulling effect. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it to somebody who needs it. There are a lot of people that need this training out there. They're wondering, they're struggling. So you can just share them this link. So I'm just going to let this rest for a while, but I can still test the pulling test. See, it's very fragile. I can't lift it up. At least it's better than the water. I'm trying to test. See, when it glues somewhere else, you can't take it back like you should before. So I'm trying to test the elasticity at this stage when it's still wet. You can't pull it up. You have to wait for it to dry and be crispy dry before you can pull it up, and sometimes it would break. So you wouldn't need such unless you have already applied the wafer paper to your cake before you painted it. But now I'm going to work with glycerin. But in the case of glycerin, I'm going to put it on my surface, on my work surface. Okay, haven't added my glycerin. I'm going to add my color to the table. Then I'm going to use my brush to apply onto my wafer paper. I think I should add other colors since I'm working on the surface. I think I should add green to it. I think I should add lilac to it. I think I'm adding lilac to it. Then I can just interchange the painting effect. Okay, at this stage I am actually done with painting the wafer paper, and it already looks like a beautiful watercolor effect. Now I'm going to lift it up. I'm still adding more glycerin to it, and it looks perfect. Look at the back. It's not squeezing up. You can still keep this and use it. Your wafer paper, it might not be hard, like cranky hard, but it's pliable. This is your wafer paper. Then you can apply it to your cake any way you want, however you want it. You can make this big, you can make it small. But look at water. This is what water does to your wafer paper. You have to wait until it's dry. You could wait for hours before you can use this. And if you have an urgent cake that you need to decorate or design your wafer paper, glycerin is your best bet. But for vodka will dry up very fast. It's already drying, but you can't take away the fact that you can't use it immediately. You can't apply this and use it immediately. You have to wait for hours for it to dry up, and even in the process of peeling this off the work surface, it could break. Hope this video was helpful in any way. Like this video, guys, share it to somebody who needs it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more videos coming your way and you would love them so much. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.